Morning, guys. So it's currently about 4 a.m. I wanted to show you though, I picked these up. I don't know if I showed them yet or not, but they're new muck boots. And these are called the Apex Pro, but they actually have I know it's probably hard to see right now because I wore them in the mud, but they actually have like a ceramic coating on the bottom that's for ice. So looking forward to giving these a try compared to my normal Irish Sutters, which Irish Sutters are good, they just don't have very good grip on the bottom. So as of right now, we don't have a ton, but it has gotten cold and it is definitely wet, but I'll show you guys here in a second. Biggest thing with boots is you got to find that fine line between warm, not making you sweat. Ready, TQ?
I'm ready.
And keeping you warm, keeping you safe. A big old thing of coffee. Let's roll.
So I didn't realize I put it in hyperlapse, but anyways, I was showing the ice on the driveway here, and then TQ is getting out a few new products that she picked up for us, especially these snow shovels. They're called the Snow Plow, and we picked them up at Ace Hardware, and they worked out phenomenal, guys. I think they were around like 70 or 80 bucks, but yeah, worked out really, really well for us during this storm. So this is Winter Storm Elliott, and bright and early this morning, we got about an hour and a half here before this store location actually opens up for the day. Not enough here to plow just yet. Our trigger mark for plowing is 2 inches, so we're just going to heavily coat it in salt. But as you can tell, the wind is really starting to pick up. Don't mind the dogs. Every time I start recording voiceovers, they like to start hitting their squeakers. So yeah, going heavy here, and yeah, this storm is really starting to pick up.
I'm using the truck to block the wind.
Oh my. What did they say? We get like 50-mile-an-hour winds?
Yeah.
We're going kind of heavy right now, guys, because we're kind of at that in-between stage. This place opens up in like an hour, maybe an hour and a half. So we're hoping we can get some footing.
I was wondering where he went to. He's grabbing some salt from the top to fill the bucket just to have for now, which is smarter than opening up the tailgate thingy and
go ahead and grab some off the top.
I was wondering where he went to.
Woo.
A little smarter than having to swing away the spreader.
Yeah, for right now.
Yeah. Woo! Gotta catch the door. Gotta hold on to this pole, it's gonna blow me away. Help! Woo! That is gnarly. Look at that. Okay, I'm legit being pushed by the wind. Now this one does have a slight ice covering. I can feel it. Now this here is a little deeper here. Might have to push this.
So this storm is absolutely insane, guys. I've never had a storm where you uncover something and immediately it's as if you didn't even touch it. Like the snow just immediately covers right back up what you uncovered. It's just insane. The snow drifts, the wind blowing. Like, I wish you guys could experience it for about 5 seconds. When we originally left the house, we decided to only bring one truck because it didn't seem that bad, and we're like, hey, maybe we got to clean a few little snow drifts up and do mainly just salting on all the lots. But right here, I'm very quickly realizing there's a lot more snow on this lot than what we originally anticipated, and we need to get the other truck.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we do have an accumulation of 2 inches or so, in some areas maybe even 3 because of the drifting. Whew. Sorry, the wind took my breath. I can't even talk. The wind took my breath away. But we're gonna push all those snow drifts. It's really deep on this side, behind the building. Whew.
building.
It's this one here.
This one?
Okay, yeah. Ooh. Okay, the gate is open.
All right, guys, TQ's running in real quick. So pulled around this side with the driver's side so I could get a little closer for the loader. But yeah, back to get another 3 ton roughly. This storm, she started off pretty tame, but I'll tell you what, she's a ripping now. Can't use the GoPro setting on the tripod at all, or even on our little stick here we have as well. The wind just keeps blowing it over, so unfortunately can't set you up and get like a normal shot. It's just too strong, way too strong. So get what I can. So what we're gonna do is windrow away from the building here. I already back drug all the garage doors and everything. Typically you want to get a little run into it, but bear with me here. I'm trying to film and plow for you guys a little bit here. If only that cable wasn't there. Well guys, I tried to get you a few different shots. It just not working. The wind's just too strong. Getting it in though, getting it in. Break a GoPro before the storm's over. I can't even open the door, it's blowing so hard. My gosh. Look at that, guys. So to give you an example, we started this morning. It was 4 o'clock. It was 35 degrees. 3 degrees right now. You know what that wind chill probably is? Guarantee that wind chill is probably 15, 20 below or more. Let's see, we'll check the phone. Wonder how TQ's doing. Ooh! Oh, boys. Let me back up here. I got a customer coming in. Oh my goodness. Feels like negative 22. My phone says 1 degree. Trying to keep these babies clear. Got you a quick little shot. I'm not kidding, it's too cold to be out in right now. Like, you gotta be in the truck. Whew. Oh, I can't even close the door. I'm pulling. Oh my gosh. We're battling her though, guys. Second time through here. Woo! I think I might have got you guys a shot without getting blown over. I hid you up in that little bay thingy there, yeah. Check these out. Not cool. I don't like those down in here. So I stayed back because that looks expensive. All that electrical boxes, another one over there. I'm assuming that's for locking in some stuff. Let's see how much salt we got left. Oh, right about half a container. As of right now, we're through, I'd say 4 to 5 ton. We're going to use a lot more though. This one's going to probably be a 10, 12 tonner, depending on maintenance. Right now, we're negative 30. Woo! Yeah! Salt's getting froze. Alright guys, back at this one. We didn't record here at all this morning, early this morning when we salted. But whoo! It has not let up a bit. Still can't really get many shots. We're trying, but the wind's so strong. This is Winter Storm Elliott. I can't explain to you guys how cold it is. Right now in the truck it says negative 32 with the wind chill. Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! It is relentless, guys. Like, the wind does not stop. It is just constant. Basically, we're just pulling snow drifts back right now from the doors. I'm gonna get started over here. I can't pull my door shut. I can't explain to you guys how cold that is. Oh man. Truck says -4. Look at it. It's just not quitting. Whew. It just goes right through everything. Like, we're layered up. Typically I would be sweating a bit. Oh man. Alright guys, so second time at this one. Doesn't need much, honestly. We just have to make sure these trucks, they're able to get up to this lift here, or this decking, whatever you want to call it, and it looks like it's still good. These semis are protecting a lot of the wind blowing the snow across. So this one's going to be good to go. I don't think TQ filmed on this one this morning either. Big dip there too. I know it's probably hard to see from my head mount, but I think I'm okay with that. Truck can get in and out, no problem. Get one more over here on this end. On to the next one. I actually need to check my salt real quick. Felt like it was getting low on that last one, if not empty. Probably empty, honestly. Let's check her real fast. Nobody's coming. Hell yeah, she's empty, boys. Empty, empty. I always can tell too because the rear end of the truck starts sitting up a bit higher. My front lights will start angling down a bit more. Let's move on. Just got stripped down. Everything was frozen on the outside. Got it in front of the heater here. Gonna let it dry up and probably be back bright and early. Currently right now about 5, 6 o'clock. We are whooped. We have wind burns on our face and anything that was exposed to the air. Pretty darn bad, I won't lie. Like, I don't know if you'll pick it up in the camera, but the face in TQ's is super wind burnt. But good productive day. We had a few little setbacks here and there. You know, just dealt with them. Simply, the lights were flipping on us, re-tightened those back down again. I mean, I put some torque on these babies when we came back to the house to get the other truck early this morning. But this storm was just a very weird storm. Kind of just started off wimpy almost. Just like a wimpy storm. Like we thought we weren't going to get much. And then I'll tell you what, man, about 5 o'clock this morning, it let loose and it has not stopped yet. And yeah, to be honest with you, the salt's not doing much other than giving traction for walking. But it is what it is. We did our best. Everybody else that was out there, all my buddies and stuff, they did their best. And tomorrow's a new day. We're gonna wake up bright and early and see what needs done. And we hope you all have a Merry Christmas. As always, keep plowing, keep salting, keep making money, boys. We'll talk to you later. TQ out. Peace.